Hi my friends, today we model this part. It is pretty simple with the name sliding bearing body. The drawing is here. Take care of each dimension and note that the fillets are radius 2. We start by creating this external contour, and you have to take care at each dimension, 45, radius 30, 8 and so on. Standard millimeters IPT, XY plane, a circle with diameter of 30 multiplied by 2, then some lines. This is the first, left, down, right and up. I project the axis Y, this axis, because I want to apply mirror. Mirror of what? Mirror of all these lines. The mirror line is the axis. Apply. Everything is symmetrical. I make this construction and I split this arc, and I also make them construction. Dimensions. This is an angle of 45. We start with angles. Then this is 80. Then 62, 45, no, 15 here, and 45 is the last, 45. Fully constrained sketch, extrude, at 10 but symmetrical. Okay. You noted that 80 is the distance between the centers of these two cylinders. The cylinder is 24 on a height of 15, which is already present. This dimension is there. We select this face with X to the right, always. Then we draw a circle with this center, 24. Finish sketch, extrude this and this to this face with join, not cut. Okay, the hole is 10. Hole face, center, normal, through all with dimension of 10. Now I can mirror these two features about this plane. Okay. Now we create this volume with dimensions 25, diameters 45 and 50. I select this plane, F7, and I draw some lines. The first one is this one. It is an axis. I connect this point with this point, and I draw other lines to here. Then I go here and at the end of this it must be perpendicular, as you can see. I project also this line because I want to make this coincident with this. Equal are these two lines, and now we have to apply that 3 dimensions I mentioned before. This is 50, this is 45, and the last one is 25. Finish sketch, revolve. All this must be revolved with join. Okay. Now this hole, 35 is the diameter. I use hole, face, center, through all, 35. Now the fillets of radius 2. There are many for this part. I select an edge, 2 millimeters is by default, and I apply all that fillets. Also here and here. Okay, let's see what is the volume. Properties, physical, update, copy, close, drawing, double click and paste. There is a small difference, maybe some fillets, but this is not important because I keep what we did, my friends. This is what we did, this volume. Material is steel cast. And the aspect is smooth dark forest green. I apply view, two lights, and we see what we have at origin. I select faces by keeping pressed the shift button for each one to apply steel polished. And now we can compare the two. Yes, this is also to be machined, so I apply steel polished to that faces. Good. That's all for today. Thanks for watching. Bye bye.